Oh, what's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're gonna do my Denis Potvin Championship etchings from 16-17, the Cup. We are gonna go down here and we're gonna go live at 12:08. It is 12:08 here in Denver. I will go grab our list. We got John on top and Mr. Scotty B on the bottom. John on top, Scotty on the bottom. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. John on top after 2. And that timestamp is in at 12:08. It is 12:08. Third and final random, everybody. Good luck. Mike Ober. Spot 4. Congratulations, Mike. That final timestamp is in at 12:09. It's 12:09. Again, everybody. 3 times. Oops. 3 times. Mike, spot 4. Thank you, guys.